Okay, so I am watching this week's teasers of Mkhululi the Curse, and it looks like Mkhululi is still not coming back, and Ndlovu continues with his tricks of being Mkhululi. So let us chat about that and more here on this video. But first, I want to request you guys to like it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. This week's teasers from Mkhululi the Curse show us that Manzimane continues to demand to mourn for Mkhululi, but Unomkhosi insists that Mkhululi is still alive, so no one is going to mourn for him. And while Umthembu are still going back and forth about Mkhululi's death, Mazungu also wants justice for her daughter uNokubonga, yet uNokubonga and Maphalala are against all of that. And while all of that is happening, Ndlovu decides to leave, go and join the army without the family's consent. Now the question is this how she leaves Mkhululi? Well, we're gonna have to keep on watching to find out. So, as the week progresses, Umazungu solidifies her daughter's stay at home by making sure the Mthembus continue their providence for her. Now, going on Kumete, Difa and Mamzobe finds a letter that Nobuntu left for them, and they are not happy to find out about this. And towards the end of the week, Nomkhosi and Mamzobe fight Ndlovu's tricks of trying to get into the throne as Mkhululi. And it looks like Ndlovu will lose again because teasers tell us that Nomkhosi will want to be a new Mkhululi. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is all that we can expect from Mkhululi this coming week. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.